One of the biggest changes in the banking system just happened. It's the biggest in American history, and nobody is talking about the fact that your money may not be safe anymore. Yes, you heard that right. Something just changed and nobody told you. Not the news, not your bank, not the government. But starting right now, moving your own money can get you flagged, frozen, reported, or even worse, seized. And the even scarier part, you can do everything right and still get caught. Now make sure to comment right now, my money, if you believe you should control your own money, because what I'm about to show you is happening to thousands of people already. Now everybody watching this has probably heard of the $10,000 rule. Cool, but here's the problem. The rule you think exists is not the rule that's actually being enforced today. Because over the last couple of years, they didn't just update it, they made it more aggressive, more automated, and an easier way to flag you. Understand, we're not talking about criminals. Yes, not criminals, regular people. People trying to build credit, people trying to level up financially, and people just like you. Let me give you a real scenario real quick. Couple in their late 60s, did everything right, worked their whole lives, saved money, and no debt problems. They go to the bank to withdraw $40,000 cash, and you're probably saying, but why? To buy a car straight out. Smart move, right? We're talking no interest, no payments, but here's what happens next. They get pulled into a room, asked a bunch of questions, their money gets delayed, and a report gets filed on them. Let that sink in for a second. A report gets filed on them. You do everything right financially, and you still end up flagged. Make sure to comment, this is crazy if this sounds insane, because this is actually happening right now. Now here's the part that should make you feel mad. The $10,000 rule was created in 1970. Back then, when gas was actually cheap, houses were cheap, and $10,000 was big money. Today, $10,000 is normal. Adjusted for income, that's like $80,000 plus today. But did they update the rule? Nope. So now what happens? Normal financial behavior looks suspicious. If you're buying a car, helping your family, moving savings, all getting flagged. And if you're in the credit space, trying to just simply elevate your life, you're triggering this more than the average person. Now let's break down what actually changed, because this is what nobody is explaining correctly. Now there are going to be 3 massive changes that you do not want to miss. We're going to start at number 1 and make our way to number 3, and number 3 is possibly the worst one. Now change number 1, your money can get frozen. Yes, you heard that right. Banks can now delay your money up to 72 hours. And it's not because you did something wrong, but because your activity looks unusual. And that's it. You've been moving small amounts for years. Now you move something bigger and you're flagged. And guess what? The worst part? They don't even tell you the real reason. Now moving on to change number 2, structuring will get you caught. This is where people in my community mess up the most. You think, I'll just stay underneath 10K. I don't even have 10K. I'll just break it up into smaller amounts. Wrong. That's called structuring, and that can turn into an actual federal issue. Even if your money is clean, let me say that again, clean money can still get you flagged. And the crazier part, the system now catches small patterns, not just $9,000 deposits, even 4, 5, 6, or 7 or 8,000 K patterns can trigger reviews. Now change number 3 is the one that nobody's expecting. Your apps are included now. Yes, you heard that right. Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, all of that is tracking you because it's now the same tracking system, and the threshold is dropping down to $600. So that side hustle, that quick save, that money your friend sent you, it's being all reported and tracked. Now I have 2 other bonuses, 4 and 5, where of course everything adds up. Businesses report you now. Listen to what I just said. Businesses report you now. And inflation made everything worse. So now normal transactions constantly hit reporting levels, which means more flags, more reviews, and of course, more problems. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Luis. Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Brandon. Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Now here's where my audience separates themselves, because we don't panic, we move smarter. Move number 1, we're going to pre-notify your bank. That's right, before you move big money, call your bank. Tell them what you're doing. Simple. That alone can stop massive delays. Because here's the crazy part, we said 72 hours, but there's nothing to say that they can hold it even longer. Who's gonna check them? Move number 2, stop trying to outsmart the system. Stop splitting money. That's the fastest way to get flagged. If it's 12,000, then just move 12,000. Don't play stupid games because you're gonna win stupid prizes. Move number 3, use wires, because wires are cleaner, less friction, less suspicion, and honestly, most businesses prefer it anyway. Move number 4 and 5 combined, separate your accounts and document everything, because if something goes wrong, proof is your protection always. Last part's the most important, but let's be real for a second. Most people think they actually control their money, but do you really? Because if your bank can, delay it, flag it, report it. Do you actually control it? Or are you just operating inside a system? You don't fully understand it, and this is why financial education matters. This is why credit matters, because the higher you level up, the more attention you get. So you've got 2 options, stay unaware or move smart. Make sure to comment, I move smart, and if you learn something, hit that like button, because that tells the algorithm to push this to more people who need it. And trust me, a lot of people need to see this. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's gonna show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with the 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.